Okay, here's the construction update video. This is the addition. This is the road that was built to get back here. And if we quickly spin around the back, see, we put in the doors. On the right is storage. On the left goes into kind of new basement game room. And here's the basement addition. TV will go there. And this will be a little guest bedroom. Small windows, but I think we can make this a pretty good space. And one of the things I like is the high ceilings. Golf heating cage, perhaps. And those stairs will go into the old basement. Anyway, we'll spin back outside. And here's our new deck under construction. It'll go up there into the kitchen, but that's not open yet. Alright, we'll go into our... Hey, Lambo. This is our temporary kitchen. They set up a stove for us. Through here. You can see that they have taken over our basement. Alright, up to the new addition. Okay, old family room. Windows and doors are in. This will be a nice view someday. Down the hallway into the kitchen. Those pipes are where an island will be. You can see the windows are now in. Another door out to the deck here, and all these windows are in. And here is our pantry, also the general contractor's workstation with a little moonlight. All right, let's go upstairs. There's the garage. Let me show you this. This is one day where the Cobra will park. Okay, in, up the stairs. This was opened up. Last minute change to the design to let in more light here. That's a dormer over the garage, looking out at the front of the road, front of the house. Windows are now into the laundry room. Go down the hall to Caitlin's bedroom. And you can see she's got her windows in. Nice light. Big closet there. Okay. Master bed this way. Got closets on the right. Bath on the left, and our doors to our little mini deck outside, which has got a very cool view. It's like being in a treehouse. Okay. We are going to put two beams up there with some lights on. I think those get delivered next week. And here's all the windows. They're the last windows to be installed. I think they're going in a week or so. Anyway, that is it.